Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Spring has started in Michigan. How is it where you are? After a long winter, finally the weather is warmer. No more snow, no more cold day. Many people say that this winter is colder, snowier, and longer than usual. This is my first winter in Michigan and it's special. Anyway, I'm glad it's finally over and we can go out more now. In today's video, we will continue cleaning up the backyard. In the previous video, we cut a lot of wood and placed them outside around the house to let them dry out. Now it's time to split and stack them up for the winter heating. We spent 2 days to complete the job. There was also a lot of wood in the backyard. The first day was cleaning firewood around the house. The second day was in the backyard. This video was filmed in early April. It was still cold and there were some snow days. That's why you see us still wearing winter clothes. It must warmer now and we went cycling today. It was my first bike ride in Michigan since I moved here last November. Cruz, my husband, he introduced me to some of cycling trails he did last year. I experienced gravel roads, mountain bike trails, and busy flat roads. I love gravel roads. It's awesome with a lot of up and downs. My body feels much lighter after this ride because winter in Michigan is so cold, so we haven't ridden for half year. It's great to get out and enjoy the nature. Cycling video will be posted on Two Wheel Cruise channel soon. Sorry everyone for the wait. By the way, I'll give you some updates. In the last video, I said that I applied for my social security card and that I expected to receive it in 2 weeks. It's been over 3 weeks and I still haven't received it. We called the office and they said that it used to take 2 weeks. But now they are adding a Homeland Security check and it takes about 2 weeks. So it could take a month to get it. It's not good news, but now can only wait. Hope I get the card soon. Next information, I need your advice. My channel is still using the same name as in Vietnam, Vietnam Travel Guider. I am planning to change the channel name to suit my current life. What name do you think I should choose to be suitable? This channel mainly talk about our life in the US, talk about my daily life, my new experience traveling in the other states of the US or in other countries. In general, this channel have a lot of content, unlike my husband's channel which only focus on bicycle. Please tell me in the comment which name to choose. Thank you very much everyone. Let's continue with the second day of backyard cleaning. Today we are cutting firewood in the backyard. As you can see, there are some big trees in the backyard. Most of them were cut by our neighbors and they fell on our yard. Before we bought this house, no one had lived here for about 10 years. That's why our backyard had a lot of big trees and weeds. Our neighbors are very friendly. We had dinner together and they loved my cooking. They make cookies recently and gave them to Earth. I have also been practicing baking cranberry walnut bread and will give it back to them when it's successful. It's good to have a good relationship with our neighbor. Today's video ends here. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye!